Well, good afternoon and welcome to this edition of KTN News Desk. My name is Grace Nganga. Now, the Anglican Church of Kenya has voiced its concerns about the ongoing doctor strike, appealing to medical professionals to return to work. The Archbishop of the Southern Nyanza Diocese, Bishop Simeon Onyango, emphasized the importance of doctors resuming work out of the genuine commitment rather than fear of repercussions. Onyango criticized the government's approach to threatening to dismiss doctors, advocating for their rights, especially when the government has failed to honor its promises. The sentiments were echoed by Assistant Archbishop Joshua Obulum, who stated that coercion and threats are counterproductive to national progress.
Nobody came here. I
want to appeal strongly to the government regarding the plight of the doctors. There is this going forth and back again and again. The doctors may look like they may want to surrender to go back and work, but we wish that they'll go back to work, not just with their bodies because they fear to be sacked or to be reprimanded, but to go back to work with their heart. Naroyao. We visit hospitals, we see people lined up who need treatment, and it's like you can see and read apathy in the faces of the people. So it's our plight as a church that the government should not just give statements to do that kind of cosmetic smearing,